Nice landing. Okay, now we change to our banjo style peel. This is nice, a circular peel. It's a little bit smaller than the circumference of the, I'm sorry, that's the diameter of the pie, so we can spin it easily and get it underneath. You really want to let it sit as long as you can in one spot before you spin it so it can set. And now we're ready to turn. Get under there, turn it. Kind of land in the same spot. That spot's cooled down a little bit. Okay, we're counting it down. This is going to be a fast cook, as you can see. So you really got to watch it. If you get too hot, you just use it the right side of the oven. Then it'll cool it down. It won't be quite so hot. It gives you a little more time to cook it. Almost there. Just about done. I'm going to try and get it as crisp as I can. Dome it. Dome it. And she is ready to enjoy.